In this video, I'm going to show you a great website to use with a free tool to set up in a new Windows 10 computer. Now to find this, we're going to open up Edge on our new computer, and we're going to go to the website ninite.com. That is Ninite.com. Now, as of today's recording, which is at 5/26/2020, Ninite.com is reputable and a great source. You may want to check if Ninite is still a great resource if you're watching this video years into the future. Now they have all the apps sorted out by their type. And I'm going to go through and show you ones that I've either used or know that a lot of users do like. This includes the web browsers Chrome and Firefox. If you do file sharing, BitTorrent is a great file sharing tool. For compression and even decompression, 7-Zip is my tool of choice. For messaging, again, this is during the spring and early summer of 2020, and Zoom and Discord are very common messaging apps. Skype is also used. For other, Steam for video games. Then there are a couple different password keepers if you use password keepers. Under media, there's iTunes. I use VLC. We also have Audacity for audio recording. And here's Spotify if you have a Spotify subscription or even just use the free Spotify. Under runtimes, I personally don't use any of them. For utilities, TeamViewer is a great remote access tool. And then I also use WinDirestat as a directory statistic program. Under imaging, I like Paint.net, GIMP, and Inkscape. For documents, I am a big fan of LibreOffice as a Microsoft Office 365 alternative. For online storage, most of these are good. I personally use Google Backup. For security, Malwarebytes is my security of choice. And for developer tools, I use Notepad++. See how easy finding all of my programs are, opposed to going to each individual website and downloading and installing. Now all I gotta do is step 2, which is get your Ninite. It's going to ask me to run or save it. I'm going to go ahead and hit run. It'll run a quick security scan. It'll ask to make changes to my computer. And this is because it is installing programs, and we need to give it permission to install new programs. So I hit yes. And now it is downloading and installing programs, as we can see by showing details. Here's the entire list of programs, and we can see the status of each program. And it will automatically download and install the latest version of all of these programs. This is again a great tool for when setting up a new computer inside of Windows 10. And this has been a video by nephew.tech.com, and I hope you've learned something.